On this episode of Crimes on Leadenhall Way, we take a look at the case of the tumbling pot. It was just your average Tuesday as I was sitting on my couch studying for my genetics class when I looked up and saw one of my pots for my plants tumbling down the stairs and then break at the bottom. By the time I got to the stairs to look who did it, whoever it was had disappeared. There are only 5 of us living in the house, so the suspects are my 2 roommates, Ashley and Lucy, and their kids. Marlo is Ashley's dog, and Evie is Lucy's cat. 2 hairs were found at the scene, so we decided to do a DNA printing analysis to determine who broke my pot. Looking at the VNTR of the first locus, we see the loci of the 2 hairs. To determine who the hairs belong to, the alleles of the suspect and the hair have to match. For the first hair, the top allele matches everyone but Evie. The second allele matches Ashley and Marlo, so we have narrowed down that the first hair belongs to either Ashley or Marlo. When looking at the second hair, the 2 alleles match both me and Lucy. Now, let's take a look at the second VNTR locus. For hair 1, the first allele matches Ashley, Marlo, and Evie. The second allele matches Marlo and Evie. The suspect must match at both loci in order to be accused of leaving the hair at the crime scene. Since Marlo is the only one that matches at both locus 1 and 2 for both alleles, he has to be the one that left hair number 1. For hair number 2, both alleles match only me, meaning I left my hair when I tried to look at who was up the stairs. What's also cool about DNA fingerprinting is that it is helpful for determining who the parents are. Marlo is Ashley's son, and this is confirmed because they both have at least one allele that matches at both loci. Lucy is the mom of Evie, and this is confirmed because they also have at least one allele matching at both loci. In conclusion, Marlo and I are the ones who left behind hair, and since I was a witness and have an alibi, Marlo must have been the one to knock my pot over. While he is very cute, this 8-week-old pup must have been the one to push my plant pot down the stairs. I wonder what his motive might have been. Tune in next week for the case of the missing mailbox.